I am going to be building a 10,000 piece Lego model of the Really Useful Boxes factory. I had reached out to Really Useful Boxes because I was at the time writing and have now since finished a rather in-depth guide to storing and sorting your Lego collection. That's how I got connected with Mike. Was I wanted to give the Really Useful Boxes scrapbooking drawers with the dividers a shot.
So the idea is our new factory in the UK, which you can see there. What we're trying to do is replicate it in Lego. Have you ever assembled it together, Tom?
I have built about maybe a quarter of it.
So you've not even no. You've not even built it all up? No. Oh my God.
I mean, to be fair, we
my
built it in
God.
the computer. And
so you've never physically done it?
No.
So you don't know if it's going to work?
No.
Oh my God, oh my God. I cannot believe it.
Wait, let's try that again. Of course it's going to work. So we just finished building the second sub-assembly here, as you can see. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pivot this around, connect it with the other part, and then after we do that, we'll need to put in this little wedge that'll kind of snap the two pieces together. So let's see how it goes. This is day 2. We just finished the first third of the model.
I'm a little bit more confident now.
Okay.
Just a little bit
I'm glad that I'm slowly chipping away at your confidence. Yeah, we just got the first row of the windows in, and this is sort of the main entrance to the factory. All right, so it's about a day and a half in here. I feel like we've made really good progress. You can see all of the bays where the trucks park. Good morning. So getting ready for the start day 3. As you can see, we made really excellent progress in the last couple days. Our hope is that we can be done around noon tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. So this is the last bit of the roof, and we're gonna very carefully put it into the model. That's a whole building, isn't it?
Well done.
It's great to have built the model and have it look fantastic, have it match and actually exceed my sort of vision for it. That was cool. And then of course to see that it, kind of worked like I hoped it would as a platform for them to have their product story was great.